What are 3 symptoms that your product owner is not being successful for your team? I like to look at this 3 different ways. Like the first one, how do you know as a team member that your product owner is really not working with you as part of the Scrum team effectively? And it sort of plays to all of them, but not having a clear vision, not having a product goal, not helping you have sprint goals, having a poorly understood or refined backlog. They're big tells. Like, sounds pretty obvious, but they're your checks, right? If your product owner isn't doing that, it's a fair tell. The key thing that you're looking for as a team member is responsive decisions. Now, when your product owner is empowered, and this is where our system around our product owner needs to respect their autonomy, then we can have fast answers to questions. When we can have fast answers to questions, cost of delay is reduced, feedback loops are shorter, throughput increases. So as a team, how engaged is a product owner with you? Are they part of the Scrum team? And I've seen this very recently with a client I'm working with, and they're a team. They all support each other. The team, the developers and the Scrum Master have got the product owners back. The product owners got the developers and the Scrum Masters back. They're all collectively focused on delivering. And when the organization does something dopey, because people, as a team, they look after each other and deal with the org. That's what you're after. So is your product owner with you in helping deliver sprint goals, product goals? So that's the team perspective. What about the perspective as a Scrum Master? Are you collaborating together to help use the Scrum framework to deliver the maximum value for your org? Are you working together as peers? Is the product owner dancing with you to help make sure that the artifacts, the commitments, the events are honored in such a way you can deliver value and get the feedback loop working? This is also an important point for you to reflect as a Scrum Master. Are you demonstrating humble curiosity and dancing with the product owner to ensure that the framework is helping them unlock the value they're trying to achieve? So, a bit of a reflective stance for you as a Scrum Master, but you should be, right? And the third one as a leader, like, how can you tell if your product owner's on the money? Are they getting done, and are they putting a feedback loop in? Are they connecting with the customers? Have they got metrics in place? Are they professionally forecasting, monitoring, and iterating on value, maximizing the investment that you as a leader are funding in that team? So we need the fundamentals of Scrum in place. We should see the product owner as part of that Scrum team. We should see healthy artifacts. We should see those feedback loops and metrics, ensuring that the value is delivered there if they're a truly professional product owner. If you're a product owner, what could you do to be more professional? If you're a Scrum Master, what could you do to help your product owner relationship with your team and value? And if you're a team member, how welcome are you making your product owner in the discussions about maximizing value? It's only when we work together as a team, using the Scrum values, that empiricism will flourish.